Assalamu alaikum friends, please like my videos, subscribe my channel and click on notification. हेलो एवरीवन, मैं मोहम्मद अकरम और आज जो हम पेपर सॉल्व करें डाटा एंट्री ऑपरेटर का पेपर है पंजाब पुलिस स्पेशल ब्रांच डिपार्टमेंट. A word template stores common document in the form of structure. Which of the following is fastest cache? What is the name for a web page address URL? What is shortcut to change the font? Ctrl+Shift+F. Which of the following data types automatically generates a consecutive number auto number? The three parts of an if function are separated by commas. Which alignment choice separate the data across the width of the cell distributed? The interface transmit one bit at time. Serial. The inner core of an optical fiber is in composition glass or plastic. In Microsoft PowerPoint, the following will not advance the slide in a slideshow view. Escape key. The following are example of data type except functions. What is file name extension for an Outlook data file? PST. You can modify alignment, line spacing and paragraph spacing in the paragraph dialog box. Smallest unit of memory is bit. There are two methods you can use to move text: cut and paste or drag and drop. Which of these arithmetic operators takes the highest precedence? Exponentiation. What does HTML mean? Hypertext markup language. In a laser printer, transfer the image to the paper toner. There are bits in a 1 byte. 8. Use the button to reverse your last change. Undo. To view word field codes in your document, press Alt+F9. What is defined by the handout master? Layout of audience, handout, notes. Indentation is a left space of paragraph. I/O is the short term for input output. A file which contains ready-made styles that can be used for presentation is called pre-formatting. A message with replies on a newsgroup is often called a thread. In MS Word, shortcut key Ctrl+W is used for close the current window. GUI stand for which of the following? Graphical user interface. What is a web browser? All of these. Drive access time is measured in milliseconds. Which of the following protocol is used to access web page on World Wide Web? HTTP. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation program. Changing to newer, usually more powerful or sophisticated version of hardware components is termed upgrading. What is the function of print manager? all of these. In Microsoft PowerPoint, to add a header or footer to your handout, you can use the handout master. In Microsoft PowerPoint, two kind of sound effect file that can be added to the presentation are WAV files and MID files. Which of the following terms refer to ability of a computer to automatically configure a new hardware component that is added to it? Plug and play. The default font for Microsoft Word is Calibri. You can customize all of your documents properties in the backstage view. What does the average function calculate for a range of the cell? Mean. Which of the following is a spreadsheet? MS Excel. What property work with the protect sheet command? Locked. The browser keep a list of web pages you have visited during the current session. History. DNS refer to domain name service. Which option in the find replace dialog box makes a search task case sensitive? Match case. To place a sound into a Word document, you can use the feature of Windows OLE. A virus that replicates itself called worm. To automatically insert the last date a document was saved, add a date field. A drive that can be removed or inserted while the computer is running is said to be hard swipeable. Which key should be pressed to start a new paragraph in MS Word? Enter key. हमारी वीडियो देखने का बहुत शुक्रिया। मज़ीद ऐसी ही वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें। शुक्रिया। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।